Michelle Obama. Michelle LaVaughn Robinson was born in Chicago, Illinois on January 17, 1964. Michelle learned how to read by the age of 4. She earned very good grades and was a leader in school. Michelle was accepted to Princeton University. She graduated in 1985 with a degree in sociology and African American studies. She then entered into Harvard Law School and earned a law degree in 1988. Michelle went back to Chicago and worked as a lawyer. In 1989, she met Barack Obama, who was working at the same law firm. They were married in 1992. Michelle Obama left the law firm in 1991 to work for the mayor of Chicago. She worked for the city until 1993, when she designed and founded a leadership program for young adults. In 1996, she took a job at the University of Chicago. She became a vice president at the University of Chicago Medical Center in 2005. When her husband ran for president in 2008, she left her job to help with the campaign. When her husband took office on January 20, 2009, her family moved into the White House. Michelle Obama became the first African American First Lady. Michelle quickly became popular with America. She supported military families and other causes. In 2010, she launched the Let's Move campaign with a goal to end obesity in children. That meant to keep children healthy and exercising. She was a strong advocate for girls' education throughout the world. She left the White House at the end of her husband's second term as president in January 2017.